Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the request timed out error in Microsoft Authenticator. First, check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. Sometimes a network can block the connection and cause this error. Next, check your date and time settings. Go to your phone settings and make sure date and time are set to automatic. If the time is incorrect, the app may fail to connect properly. Now, close the app completely. Remove it from recent apps, then restart your phone. This helps clear temporary issues that may be causing the problem. If you are using an Android device, you can also clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Authenticator, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. This will not delete your accounts, but can fix small bugs. After that, make sure your app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for updates for Microsoft Authenticator. Install the latest version if available. After following these steps, open the app again and try signing in. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.